Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use the 18 Birdies app in a simple and easy way. So to get started, go ahead and download the 18 Birdies app from your app store, then open it once it's installed. When you first launch the app, you'll need to sign up or log in. You can use your email, Google, or any available option on your screen, and after that, you'll be taken to the main dashboard. So from the home screen, the first thing you can do is start a round. So look for option that says play or start round, then tap on it. So the app will ask you to choose a golf course. You can search for your course or allow location access so it can find nearby courses automatically. So once you select your course, you can begin your round. So as you play, you'll be able to track your scores hole by hole. Simply enter the number of strokes you take for each hole. So the app will also show distances using GPS, which helps you understand how far you are from the hole. So this is useful for choosing the right club while playing. You can also check stats and performance inside the app. After finishing a round, the app records your scores and gives you a simple insights like your average score and progress over time. So this helps you see how you're improving. Aside from that, you can also explore other features like leaderboards, challenges, or connecting with friends, and depending on what's available on your screen. And that's basically how you use 18 Birdies app. It's very helpful for tracking your game, improving your performance, and making your golf experience more organized. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.